What's the meaning of beatboxing? Beatboxing. Beatboxing.
Beatboxing. Beatboxing. Beatboxing is a form of vocal percussion that involves creating a variety of musical sounds and rhythms using only the mouth, lips, tongue, and voice. Generally associated with hip-hop culture, it has become a distinct form of musical expression in its own right. Beatboxers use a combination of breath control and vocal techniques to produce drum patterns, bass lines, melodies, and sound effects. Many beatboxers also use microphone and looping technology to layer multiple tracks and create sophisticated performances that can sound like a full band. Beatboxing has gained global recognition as a unique art form and continues to evolve as beatboxers experiment with new techniques and styles.